YouTubers who look cute in their morning routine videos because I look absurd. But this is not a morning routine video. I have a pretty much solo day until dinner, and I have made the decision to take the day off of social media, as in Instagram and TikTok and Twitter, because I'm addicted. And I got like mean comments yesterday and they were affecting me. So if I ever feel like that's happening, I need to take a break so I can separate my self-worth from what strangers say about me on the internet. So going to, I don't know, like there's so much that could possibly be done, you know? So I think I'm gonna make myself some eggs and bacon. No, I don't have any bacon. Do we think I should just go to Starbucks and get a coffee and a double smoked Gouda sandwich, even though I have bagels in my fridge? Let's find out what we do next. Gonna put on some biker shorts and a tank. All right, friends, I got dressed in this outfit. This is Target. These are Fabletics and my Nikes. And I'm going to go sit probably near the park. I'm gonna go get a coffee and maybe a bagel, something like that. Go sit in the park and read. I have a book and a blanket in there, and journal perhaps too. I might start using my pen and just enjoy my day because we are cultivating self-love today. Hello friends, we're back from our little park time. Something I did not film at the park is that I cried in the park because I read the comments on my most recent TikTok video. Yeah, I know. And I was hurt by them because a lot of them were rude, calling me stupid, calling me fat, and I'm human and I am not strong enough to just like react to that and be like, oh my God, move on. And so I always used to think that like creators or famous people, not saying I'm famous, but like people who get online hate, I was like, that's stupid. Like, how can you let someone who's like on the internet affect you? But it does hurt for a second. And then I had to remind myself who I am, which is someone who literally doesn't care. Like, I have such a beautiful, fabulous life, and content creation helps me have that beautiful, fabulous life. And if I were to let someone get me down in this instance, I wouldn't be helping the tens of thousands of other people who have never seen what their body looks like on the internet and gotten advice for what to order or what to wear and had a realistic understanding of what to shop for, because that's why I started this. So I started making those videos. So I'm gonna keep doing it, but the realities of social media and the behind the scenes of it, I just wanna be honest about, because I was sad. I was gonna take the day off social media, but I checked it because I'm addicted and need help, and it made me feel worse. And then by sharing my experiences with other people, that's how I feel better. And of course, my boyfriend, who is I call him my emotional manager, because I called him, he was saying all this stuff. But I am feeling the most confident I've ever felt in my body right now. And no one, not a stupid person on TikTok can take that away from me. Because if they could, I wouldn't be where I am. So that's what I'm doing. The rest of this day, I am going to sit here and chill, shoot some sponsored content, I might like lay in bed and take a nap. I don't know.
Oh, there's the flash. No. I'll take it.
Morning, besties. It's shoot day for my Sweet Dicks shoot, and I figured I would just bring you along because I don't know when it's gonna go live, but I know that I will thank my future self for vlogging. So to start off our morning, tell me why this broke in the middle of the night, fell down, gave me a physical heart attack. I was not well when I heard this break, because I was like, someone has broken in to my apartment and they are in my bathroom rummaging through my $300 skincare products. No, they weren't. It was not enough tape to keep it up. So I'm gonna fix that. Then I'm going to do some final touches of cleaning. Then we're gonna figure out what I want to wear. Face looks good though. I got a facial and a bikini wax and everything yesterday. Not that I needed to be waxed for this, but because, okay, I've already overshared. Let's clean. As of right now, don't know what I'm wearing yet. It is, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:33 a.m.
7:33. So now I'm in the kitchen. We are going to wipe down the stainless steel. These stainless steel wipes are a game changer. I always had streaks, but these get it done. I think it's like 7:40. I'm gonna take a shower, rinse off my self-tan. Probably run to Trader Joe's, come back, and get dressed. So I don't think we're really shooting until 10 because they have to like set up all their equipment. So I'm not gonna pressure myself to get my makeup done in time because it takes me 10 minutes to do my makeup. Okay. Oh, I couldn't figure out what to wear. I think I'm gonna go with this pink dress because it like pops against the rest of the apartment. Just got some new flowers. They look so good. But I'm gonna ask them what they think when they get here. And it's looking good, okay? I have my candles lit so that it smells good when they get here. It's officially 9 right now. Is she running behind? Maybe. Makeup and hair isn't done. No, it's not, but we're surviving. This is the most chaotic vlog. I'm so sorry you're dealing with this, but yeah, I'll give you a quick tour. Hello friends and welcome back to the vlog. I ended up taking PTO for next week. It's also Memorial Day weekend and I've just been burning out from all the work I've had to do, getting really stressed out and sad. I need to sell this mattress, lol. And so I took next week off and I was gonna go, Jeff and I were gonna go on a trip this weekend to Newport, Rhode Island, but we pushed it to next weekend, which is good because I did not, because it's supposed to rain this weekend and we didn't want to be there, but I feel so calm today. Just like got up, I slept until 9. I haven't done anything and it's wonderful. I just got Chipotle and it's good stuff. So I got some printer ink. What I'm gonna do today, I have one meeting at 4 for a brand deal, and then I'm gonna fucking chill. Okay, we're gonna chill. So ready. Chipotle, ignore my broken dresser. I'm gonna watch my new episodes of The Bold Type and Grey's Anatomy, and then also probably some Real Housewives. And it's noon on a Friday. I'm just so happy. Morning, friends. It is Saturday, aka day 2 of no work, thank God. You can see I got my things wet washing my face this morning, but it's already, what, like 10 something. I laid in bed all morning. It's super rainy, so it's raining out of control this week, which sucks because that always puts me in a bad mood, but luckily I don't have to do anything, which is good because when the sun is not out, my brain is not working. So I'm going to clean the apartment and then do some journaling, and then Jeff will come over and we're gonna make a little, he is always late, so my boyfriend is the latest person to exist. So he was supposed to come over, we were supposed to go to a party last night, but I didn't want to go because it was raining and he lives far and I would have had to Uber and it would have been like very expensive. So he was going to come over at night, but then it was raining. So then he was going to come over for breakfast, but then he's going to see an apartment. So he's not going to come over till lunch, but we're still going to make our breakfast foods. This is my favorite thing to do with him because when we were like young and had no money in like freshman year, we would always do this, and it was just like a little thing that always made me so happy, like making breakfast together. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, and then I'm just gonna continue to bask in relaxation. This is what my kitchen looks like right now. Gorgeous. This is the after. Now I'm gonna make some coffee. Laundry. You are all sitting on my Rihanna book. Got the coffee. I'm gonna light a candle. I think I'm gonna light this vanilla one and journal. So my journaling practice goes like this. I start by lighting a candle just because it sets the mood. Then I will play meditation music in the background because I'm not someone who can ever be in silence. And then I will do a brain dump in this journal, just whatever. These are $6 journals from Muji, I love them. And then this is a Uniball 207 1mm pen. It is so thick and juicy and I love it so much. It helps me write fast. I hate thin pens, disgusting. And then I will use my goals and gratitude journal. So this is just a journal that I have written. I write down my goals, gratitude, affirmations, and a little manifestation practice, which is called the Angel Method. So ANGEL. So A is for your affirmation or what you want. N is for your intention of what you want. G is your gratitude for what you already have. E, you envision it, so I do like a mental visioning of it, and L is letting it go, and that's the most important part of manifestation and like thinking about what you want is like letting it go at the end and reminding yourself you'll be happy if you don't have it either. So that's how I do mine, and typically they're about like abundance or having a job that I love, etc. So I'll do that afterwards too, and sometimes I need a timer on it because I have to get to work, but today I don't. My timer will be whenever my boyfriend gets here, and so let's get into it.
Pure meditation from Apple Music.
Our brunch is coming together, except for those that are burning. delicious. Oh, okay. In our new Caraway Home hands. Link below if you would like your own. Got some straws. Got my mimosa.
And this is our finished brunch. I'm in my bathroom and I'm whispering because my boyfriend is still asleep and I'm the best girlfriend who ever lived. But obviously we went to a brunch yesterday and I couldn't really vlog other than like the brunch. Got fucked up. Fully from that. It was bottomless margaritas. So I woke up in my bed at 9 p.m. and Jeff and I ordered red curry and now and then went back to bed, and then now it's Monday and I'm honestly a little nervous because my vacation is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then me and Jeff are going to Newport this weekend, and I just feel like there's so much I want to get done content wise that I'm having a bit of a panic attack about it. And now I'm in the bathroom about to wash my hair so that I can calm myself down. It's only 9 o'clock. It's only 8:30. I've been up since 6 doing planning and all this stuff, but I'm going to take a shower because my hair is disgusting. Wash it. And then I'm gonna do, you should see the apartment, it's out of control. And then I guess I will make us some brunch. I really want pancakes. It's the first day it isn't raining. Just gonna move that around. Like I said, it's for taste. I'm making the bacon. These are Caraway Home. I do have a discount code. So, here we go. Here is the finished lineup. Love it. Trader Joe's, we love you. Brunch time.